Hello, my name is Sandeep and today we are going to see first experiment in networking lab, that is network troubleshooting commands. And today our aim is to execute various command line tools for network information. The first command which we are going to see is ipconfig. I'll show you this one in command prompt. ipconfig. Yeah, as soon as I give ipconfig and enter, it gives all the details about wireless LAN adapter and local area connection 2, 3 and then wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi, in which it has subdivisions which are connection specific domain name server suffix, that is carnet.edu, which domain we are using now, and then IP version 6 address, that is this one, and IP version 4 address, that is my IP address, and then subnet mask and default gateway. This IP config displays all the current TCP IP network configuration values and refreshes the dynamic host configuration protocol and also the domain name server. Okay, this is all about IP config, and to know uh, all the other values related to IP config, we can give IP config / all enter. Then it will give more information related to this IP configuration. And then the next command which we have is ping. Ping is actually a uh, network administration utility in which actually if you give ping and then if you give an IP address, it will give the round trip time for the message sent from the host to the destination computer. Let's check this. I'll give ping space my IP address, that is 10.2.65. Yeah, as you can see now it is pinging with the IP address 10.2.2.65 with 32 bits of data, and each time time is less than 1 ms. And then ping statistics for this IP address is total sent packets equal to 4 and received packets equal to 4. So there is no loss which is given here, that is lost equal to 0 and 0% loss. And appropriate round trip time is also given, and which minimum is 0 ms, maximum is 0 ms and average is 0 ms. And then we'll go to the next command, that is traceroute. Traceroute is a computer diagnostics tool for displaying the path. Actually, it displays the delays of packets across the internet protocol network. Let's check this one. To check uh, traceroute, we should give traceRT. Yeah. As soon as I give traceRT, now it is asking. Uh, it has some options, that is D for D for address to host names, and H maximum hops, and J hostless, and then W R S, and all these things we have. These are the options which we can use. And now let's check the trace route for my particular IP address, that is trace at 10.2.2.65. Yeah, tracing route to sandeep.karanya.edu. This is my system name, and then this is my domain server name, and this is my IP address. And every trace route has a maximum of should be in between 30 hops. And here you can see all the data related to uh, tra trace route, and here you can see trace complete. So our trace is successfully completed. And then the next command is nslookup. Nslookup is a network administration command in which is available for DNS to obtain domain name or IP address mapping, or for any other specific DNS record. As I type nslookup, now you can see We got here default server and address, and address is given as 192.168.0.111, and then I have typed google.com. Then it gives server as unknown, and it gives the address for that, and also the non authoritative answer, in which we'll get the name of the server, that is google.com, and then its IP address. Now we'll see the next command. Our next command is Netstat. Netstat is actually network statistics. This command line tool displays network connection, that is incoming and also outgoing, and then number of network interface statistics and routing tables. Here I gave the command netstat, and you can see all the active connections. That is, here it gives the local address and foreign address, and the state, that is that connection established or not established. As you can see here, from some 7 to 8 connections are there, and there is a foreign address, and for every address there is a state, that is established state. And we'll see the next command. Our next command is path ping. Path ping is designed for particular cases in which one or more routers exist between hosts. Suppose if there is a host and there is another router in between this host, more than one router in between this host, then it sends a series of packets to each router in that path, and to the destination host, in an effect to determine uh, whether the router is performing quickly, or it is dropping some packets in between. Then we can use this path ping. Here I gave the command path ping and then my IP address. Then it is showing that tracing route to sandeep.karunya.edu, and then it traced the route, and then it took 25 seconds to compute the statistics, and then it gave all the statistics here. Then finally the trace is completed. So these are all the commands which we generally use in the command prompt to troubleshoot for troubleshooting in TCP/IP network configuration.